In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview website in Webflow, quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project, enter preview mode to experience your site like a visitor, and return to the designer to keep building, quickly and confidently. Start by heading to your sites in Webflow. This is your main hub where all your projects live. From here, click on Dashboard to view the list of sites in your workspace, along with their settings and options. Find the project you want to check and choose Open in Webflow. That launches the designer, which is where you'll make and preview changes. When the designer loads, you may see a simple language toggle near the top that reads EN or similar. Click it if you need to confirm your preferred interface language so the labels and tooltips match what you expect. Clear, familiar labels make it much easier to follow along and find the right controls. Next, make sure you're in the Design view, sometimes labeled Design or Designer, so you're looking at the full editing canvas, not the editor or settings pages. If you're prompted, click Design to open the canvas. You might see this prompt more than once depending on where you last left the project. That's normal. The goal is to land on the canvas where you can see your page structure and style panels. Now it's time to preview. Look for the preview toggle at the top of the designer interface, the icon that switches you from the editing canvas to an interactive preview of your site. Click it to enter preview mode. You're now seeing your pages with interactions, animations, and links active, just like a visitor would. This is the safest way to test without publishing anything live. Take a moment to scroll through your content. Click links and buttons, hover over interactive elements, and watch how animations behave. If you're using components, CMS-driven content, or multi-language elements, make sure the pieces appear and switch as expected. This is also a great moment to glance at how spacing and typography feel in motion, not just in the static canvas. When you're ready to keep building, click the same preview toggle again to exit preview mode and return to the designer canvas. You'll be back in the exact spot you left off, ready to adjust styles, tweak interactions, or update content. That's the full process. Go to Sites, open your project from the dashboard, switch to the designer, confirm your interface language if needed, enter Preview to test your work, and click again to return to the canvas. Simple, fast, and effective. If this was helpful, try using this flow each time you make changes so you can